Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add note in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Here you can see the Your Note option with your profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Click on it. Here you'll have to type in a note. Then click on the Share option in the top right corner. And that is how you can add note in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.